Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of seasoning powder 100 gram for popcorn, pasta, pizza, nachos and fries. I have ordered this product in Amazon. It costs around 195 rupees. That is 195 rupees. Let's unbox it. Inside this box you have the product is seasoning powder. This is bill. This is the actual product. Company names Cheddar Cheese Powder. 100 gram is given. Also the what are the ingredients given in this product, that is what are the mixes. Energy value equal to 465.4 kilocalorie. Total fats 38.2 gram. Total carbohydrates 1.8 gram. Added sugar 1.5 gram. Total proteins 28.6 gram. So protein is also somewhat high, also fat is also high using this. Okay, so dietary flour 0 gram. Sodium is also given, that is salt 1.9 milligram. Okay, these are all the ingredients for preparing this powder. Direction for use is also given. You can read this direction and then simply you can use this powder for preparing popcorn, pasta, pizza, nachos, fries, etc. Okay, this is just unboxing. If you need user experience, I will do it in the another video. Just comment your opinion about how to use it and how it will be in actual usage. Okay, so just comment if you need video. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.